In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Trello due dates. Trello due dates are one of the easiest ways to make sure tasks don't slip through the cracks. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Trello board in your browser or app. This is the board where your task or card is stored. Make sure you're on the correct board, especially if you use Trello for multiple projects, because due dates will only apply to the specific card you choose. Next, find the card you want to add a due date to and click on it. This will open the card details in a side panel or a pop-up window, depending on your layout. Inside the card, you'll see different options like description, activity, and various buttons on the right-hand side. Look for the button labeled Dates and click on it. This is where Trello lets you choose when the task is due, set a time, and decide if it should repeat. When you open it, you'll see a small calendar and some time and reminder options. Now, choose the date you want this task to be completed by. Click directly on the day in the calendar. You can move between months using the arrows if you're planning something in the future. Try to pick a realistic deadline, taking into account how long the work will actually take. Below the calendar, click into the time field to set a specific time. By default, Trello might suggest a time, but you can change it to match your schedule. For example, you might want all tasks due at 9:00 a.m. or at the end of the workday. Setting a clear time helps with planning your day and prioritizing tasks. You'll also see a drop-down for recurring options. Click this if you want the card to repeat on a schedule. You can choose options like never, daily, Monday to Friday, or weekly. This is especially useful for routine tasks like status updates or recurring check-ins, so you don't have to manually recreate the same card over and over. Next, use the reminder drop-down to decide when Trello should notify you before the task is due. You can choose from options like 2 days before, 1 day before, 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or 5 minutes. Pick a reminder that gives you enough time to act on the task. For bigger tasks, a reminder a day or two before often works best. Once you're happy with the date, time, recurrence, and reminder settings, click on Save. Trello will now attach that due date to your card. You'll see it displayed on the card front, and it will change color as the deadline approaches or passes, helping you see at a glance what needs attention.